Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Dodge Challenger. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this is a technologically advanced vehicle for the sport-inclined driving enthusiast. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and remote keyless entry. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.